Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Kunabantu abangaka-understand lento ye-mainstream media, i-social media la eSouth Africa ukuthi operate kanjani. Lento ngiyikhulumiswa udaba likaPhakela uMthakathi, uNgizwe uMacingwane, kuzoba indlovukazi uJacinta Mangobesa. Lento isiphambanisa abantu abaningi imiqondo because abantu abaningi ingane zakwethu aba-understand ukuthi i-mainstream media isebenza kanjani, especially eSouth Africa. Lokho ngikhulunyiswa ukuthi ingane zakwethu kunodaba olutrendayo lukaPhakela uMthakathi noNgizwe umfoko kaMacingwane ngodaba lokumitha uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa. Lolu daba ngane zakwethu selenza abantu bakhohlwa ukuthi ithini lento eMarch and March, and abantu abaningi sebelahla ifocus ekutheni njengoba kade bevalelene nopresident lapha kusho ukuthi bebeyodayisa ngezwe. Umbuzo uthi-ke ingane zakwethu, uma kuwukuthi bebeyodayisa ngezwe, obani abaphuthuze lolu daba? I-mainstream media. Obani abathinte indlovukazi uJacinta Mangobesa? I-mainstream media. Ngamanye amazwi, i-mainstream media igada ama-loopholes. I-mainstream media izonibulala ingane zakwethu. Abantu abaningi sebeluze ifocus. Uyabona nje manje into ekhulunywa kakhulu manje indaba ukuthi bebeyokwenzani laphaya oNgizwe kuPresident Cyril Ramaphosa. Sesisakhohlwa na i-gist yendaba ukuthi kahle kahle i-March and March ithi abahambi. So usuyabona ukuthi-ke i-mainstream media kulula kangakanani ukuthi sihlakaze because lezi zinto eqhamuka nazo kulula kakhulu ukuthi sisheshe sikhona. Yes, uPhakela uMthakathi benoNgizwe bamithene nopresident, but uma kuwukuthi khona okwenzekile noma ama-problems noma amaphutha enzekile, I think lawo maphutha sengalungiseka ekutheni bamithe uJacinta Mangobesa bayoxoxisana naye, thina sibe siqhubeka siphusha umshikashika we-March and March. Because masofocusa kulokho ingane zakwethu sogcina sibadivide labantu, sogcina sesiyitshela izinto ezingekho ukuthi kade beyodayisa ngezwe. Ngamanye amazwi ingane zakwethu kuyomele siqaphele kakhulu i-media yase-South Africa. It is very dangerous because njengoba nje abantu be-united, isitha sithokozile ingane zakwethu, sizozama ngazo zonke indlela ukuthi sibheke amakhono labantu labenyathela khona ukuze sibuye so-reportela thina, then thina bese siyayithatha leyo nto siyithathe ngemizwa. Emva kwalokho bese siyaqala sihupa abaholi abahola lento ye-March and March. Igcina ihlakazeka kanjalo lento ye-unity. Yingakho ngithi ingane zakwethu uma kunephutha elenzekile kumele bayohlala phansi balilungise, thina siqhubeke sifocus kulento ye-March and March because ngiyayibona manje iyaphuma esandleni. Abantu abaningi sebekholelwa ukuthi mhlambe bekuyodayiswa, mhlambe bekuyokwenziwani. As thina-ke abantu base-South Africa njengoba sebesihlanganisile, asiqhubekeni nokuhlangana siphushe umshikashika ingane zakwethu, sikhohlwe i-mainstream media, sikhohlwe ukuthi bebeyokwenzani lapha. Umuntu uma kuwukuthi udayisile uyovela phela obala because egcineni yonke into iyabonakala. Nokukhuluma komuntu uyakuzwa mabe sekhona la isedayise khona. Ngamanye amazwi ingane zakwethu asikwazi ukuthi singakhaphela uPhakela uMthakathi noNgizwe ngephutha elilodwa abalenzile, singabe sisabheka ubuhle obungaka ababenzile boku-unite isizwe. Mase abantu fanele sifundise ukufocusa kakhulu ekutheni umuntu noma simcrucify yini enhla seyenzile, ngakube la yenza manje iningi okudlula la seyenzile ingane zakwethu because nesiqamba amanga oJacinta Mangobesa oPhakela uMthakathi bayivulile iSouth Africa mehlo, and akekho befuna ukuphuma athi qikelele a-challenge system the way iSouth Africa kade singakhona. Wonke umuntu ubesaba ukuphumela obala. Baphumela-ke obala ey'ngane zakwethu, savuleka amehlo. So kufanele sigadeke i-mainstream media mayifuna ukusiqhatha ey'ngane zakwethu ekutheni sibe nhlakanhlaka, siphindele back to square one, because i-South Africa ila ikhona nje ilento yokungahlangani. So isithi asithokozi-ke masibona wonke ama-province ehlangene ekhuluma ngazwi linye. Yingakho sithi ingane zakwethu akekho umuntu ongenalo iphutha, akekho futhi umuntu phansi komthunzi welanga omsulwa. So kuyofanele ukuthi-ke sicwenge sibheke ukuthi kungakanani ukuhla asebesenzele kona, kungakanani okubi asebesenzele kona. Singabe sesisuka nje sihlala kokubi kube kona esigxila kuwona, sishiye lokho okuhle abakwenzile. Bawahlanganisa ama-province, sekulele kithi ingane zakwethu ukuthi sizohamba sikholelwe wona wonke amampunga aqhamukayo, because beyazi kahle kamhlophe i-mainstream media ukuthi njengoba uPhakela Umthakathi noNgizwe behlangene nopresident uJacinta Mangobese esele ngaphandle, leyo nto izobuya inganamithiziseki kubantu abaningi base-South Africa. Yingakho igijima eqala yaliphuthuza lolu daba. So abantu abaningi-ke bagaxela ingane zakwethu, begaxeliswa ukuthi aba-understand ukuthi i-media i-operate kanjani e-South Africa. I-media ngane zakwethu ihlezi igada ama-loopholes ukuthi si-destroya kanjani lento isuke isisuka, ithunywa ama-handles ayo. So ngamanye amazwi-ke ngane zakwethu asifocuseni kulento ye-march and march, sibambe i-mandate. Okunye nokunye makuwukuthi kunama-problems kulaba abasilidayo, ibona bayohlala phansi bavumelane bayilungise lo problem, babuye beze kithi sebe-united, bangadividwa yithina ingane zakwethu, abangadividwa yithina, size sikhohlwe nokuhle abasenzele kona. So ngaso sonke isikhathi entweni oyenzayo kunobuhle kunobubi. Once wakwazi uku-understanda lezo zinto ukuthi empilweni nje even kwawena la ukhona khona to khona, uyazi ukuthi khona ubuhle ukhona ububi. So uyaye ubeke usubheka ukuthi ikuphi okuhle osekwenzekile, kungakanani kuyakugqiba yini lokho kubi, noma lokho kubi kuyakugqiba yini lokho kuhle. So busuchuzo okukodwa. So asingathi-ke ingane zakwethu oPhakela Umthakathi beriska ngey'mpilo zabo belwa, sibasupporta bese sibuye siba-crucify ngenxa ye-media ingane zakwethu. Lokuthi abaqophanga ngaphakathi asazi wemina wewena, but engikushoyo ukuthi ukuze singaluzi ifocus, asihlaleni thina kulento abasinikeze yona. Sizobabona mase beqala ukukhuluma enye ilanguage engeyona lesiyidingayo. So ngamanye amazwi leyo nto izosilimaza kakhulu ingane zakwethu, soluze ifocus and bese besithola la siyi-weak khona, because ngenkathi siloku esiqhubeka sigxeka kanje ukuthi hayi oPhakela Umthakathi, hayi obani kade beyokwenzani lapho, izobuya imedia ize nayo futhi leyo agenda, ngoba isibonile ukuthi naku la ngathi kuvuleke ngakhona, iphinde futhi izopenda omunye. Mhlambe kusasa ivele ipende yena umama uMangobese, bese sigijima ukuthi hayi usidayisile umama Mangobese, singabe sisabheka okuhle akwenzile. Yabona, because hey ngane zakwethu i-media yase-South Africa, i-mainstream media kuzoba i-social media, if uyizela ngobuso izokubulala ingane zakwethu, uzolimala. Yingakho siye sithi kufunakala abantu aba-open-minded la e-South Africa, abavulelekile, abakwazi ukubona la beya khona, hayi abantu abagijima bebheke phezulu, bangabe sabheka la bezoqhubeka khona.
This man is calling out all South Africans to say, let's unite and not be divided by small things. And he's saying this after uPhakela Umthakathi had a meeting, media briefing, which had, meeting with the president. Yes, the media briefing he had it later on after the meeting the president. So he's talking about that one because that really left the whole country upside down, like confused. We didn't even know where are we standing now, like where are we, because what is the meaning of this? So he's talking about that one to say, the devil will try to cause confusion, the devil will try to divide, and here the enemy is the media, right? Which for me, I feel like at this point, guys, uPhakela Umthakathi has shown you guys, I don't know what is happening. I really don't know, but he has proven to you. He actually had a meeting with is it Somalians, or I don't remember nicely, which is just something else. And there are people who were defending him, saying, no, it's AI, this is not real. But the pictures, you can see, guys, there is a difference between an original picture and also a picture that was generated with AI. There is a difference, man. You can see that. You can actually pick that up to say, nope, this is original, this is not. And people are still defending him. People are still saying, no, but I understand. I understand, guys. Because when you favor someone, when you support someone, when you are a fan of someone, you will probably not see anything wrong with what they're doing. Even though so many people are calling them out, you will feel like maybe those people have got a problem. But at this point, guys, he's actually proving everyone like, because after the meeting, everything changed. Even the way, everything just changed. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section.